Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and yeah, I'm going to be starting off by doing a face mask because my face have been breaking out like crazy. You probably can't tell because I'm using natural sunlight right now, but in a minute you'll see that my face, it looks crazy. But anyways, I'm going to be using this detox mask by Teeny Blends, and this is their green tea blend detox mask, and it has lemongrass, it has clay, it has matcha. So this product has a lot of great natural ingredients.
The mask is also vegan, all natural, and cruelty free.
So I have used this mask once before, so this will be my second time using it, and I really like the way it made my skin feel the first time I used it. So this is how it looks. It looks like avocado, so it almost looks good enough to eat.
So I've been breaking out a lot lately, and this mask worked really quickly at clearing up my skin. I love how this mask has natural ingredients that helps with anti-aging, helps to prevent free radicals, and it also gives my skin a nice, beautiful, natural glow.
But I really like the way this mask goes on because it's very cooling. So when you apply it, it feels cold to the face, which I really like. I think it just wakes me up. So yeah, apply that to the nose, mustache area. I also like to apply any type of mask I put on underneath my chin. And whenever I'm doing like skincare and stuff like that, I make sure that I pay attention to my neck as well, because when you are aging, your neck and your hands are the first thing to go. So remember that. Remember I told you that, your neck and your hands. So do not neglect those areas, because in 50 years, you're definitely gonna notice like, ooh, when I was in my 20s, I should have really paid attention to my neck. Oh, and also these cute little bunny ears, or this headband, is from Teeny as well. So I like to put it on when I'm applying the face mask, because it kind of like, I feel like it, like anytime like I wear a headband or something, it kind of stretches out my face, and I feel as if it makes the product seep into my skin more. It could all be in my imagination, but I think I'm correct. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave this on for about 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and do my makeup. Okay, so it has been about 15 minutes and the mask is completely dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off my face and then start the makeup process. So I'm trying to figure out what type of look I wanna go for today for the makeup. I know CoverGirl sent me over this huge PR box, so I definitely wanna try some of their products that was in there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and brush my eyebrows out. And my eyebrows are finally growing back ever since this woman kind of threaded them way too thin. So they're finally growing back. So I'm happy about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill my eyebrows, and this is my favorite eyebrow pencil, and this is by L'Oreal, and this is their Brow Stylist Definer. I think it's just as good as the Anastasia or Anastasia one. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm going on vacation next week, and I'm super excited because this is like my first vacation since, well, it's my first vacation this year, so I'm ready for it. I'm ready to get away. I'm ready to see some sun. I'm going to Cancun, and this is my second time going to Cancun. The first time I went to Cancun, it was really chill. I went on like this couples trip, but I was the only single one. So I don't know if I told y'all about that, but basically it was a couples trip. It didn't initially start as a couples trip, but some type of way. It ended up being like a couple's trip. Everybody was inviting their significant others, and I had no idea. And I was like the only single person there. But I still had fun though. It was decent. I really like Cancun, but I'm excited to go this time around because it's like I'm actually gonna be doing like more activities. Like I know we're gonna be doing like what is it called, like snorkeling and jet skiing and stuff like that. And I didn't really get a chance to do that last time I was in Cancun. We just basically just like went to the club every night, and their clubs in Cancun is really, really lit, so I would suggest that. They play like a lot of hip hop and stuff like that, and I really like that because sometimes when I travel and stuff, I will go to places and they do not play hip hop at all. Like some of the clubs, like they just play like techno, and I really, 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 really despise techno music. Like if I'm out, you know, I'm just gonna go with the flow. Like I'm not a mood killer or anything like that, but in the back of my head, I just be like, oh, I hate this music, I want to go home. So when it's like playing hip-hop music, I really be into it. I'm really like feeling it. And I'll link all of the products down below in the description box because I know I'm not going to be able to mention every single thing I'm using in today's video, but you guys know what I do. I always link everything in the description box, so make sure you check there. So I'm about to hit 300,000 subscribers, so thank you guys in advance. I think the last time I checked I was like at 299,000, so I'm about 1,000 subscribers away from 300,000. So thank you guys so much for supporting me and my channel. And yeah, just thank you. Like that's crazy, 300,000 to go from 0 to 300,000. That is crazy. So I think I'm gonna do my eyeshadow next before I do like the face makeup and everything, because you know it might be like fallout and all that stuff, and usually I always do my eye makeup last, but I'm gonna try something different today. So I'm gonna be using this CoverGirl palette, and this is the Full Spectrum CoverGirl So Saturated palette. And I think the color, because they have like a bunch of these, so I think the color is Zodiac. Put this just all over my crease. Going with my finger and do it. So I like to put a mixture of both of these. This is by Smashbox. So this one is by Smashbox, and this is their Studio Skin Shaping Foundation, and this is in the color 3.3, and it also has like a contour side as well. And I mixed that with the Colourpop No Filter stick, and this is their foundation stick in dark 165 neutral. So I like to mix those two together because one is a little bit dark and then one is a little bit light, and then one has like the golden. I don't know how to explain it, but it just works really, really well together. So what I do is I just spray my flat top kabuki brush with a little bit of a makeup fixing mist, and this one is by Pixie, and then I'll go ahead and blend this out. So this Smashbox Shaping Foundation, it also has like a contour side. So it does, what I love about this stuff is that it goes on like so smooth, and it blends out like super creamy. So this is the wrong side. So this is the contour side. As you can see, it is pretty dark for my skin tone, but I just like to just go in my nose, a little bit here, and then I would just blend that out. Then I will take my concealer. This is CoverGirl, and this is their brightening concealer. So I will do this, and this is how I just, you know, contour my face. Contour and highlights. So I'm gonna take my same flat top kabuki, take this Pixie Mix, and do it like this. So makeup is super fun. And don't mind my eyeshadow. I'm gonna go back in and like blend it out. Put on some eyeliner and, you know, make it work. There's plenty of different ways to do makeup. I mean, there's no perfect way to do it. So now I like to take a nice little powder brush and go in with my setting powder. And this is Sacha Buttercup, you know, OG. And I will just set my under eye. Now I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer and bronze up my face. So I'm going to take this Fenty Beauty highlight and just highlight the high points of my face. And it's very subtle. But what I like about this highlight is that it's kind of pink. So, you know. This is the Milani Eye Tech Extreme, and if you are not great at applying eyeliner, I definitely suggest that you try out an eyeliner pen like this one. It is super thin and it goes on very pigmented. It's just one of the best liquid eyeliner pens I've come across, and believe me, I've been using a lot. I'm gonna put some of that same yellow color in my tear duct. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on. This one is by CoverGirl. For a lipstick, I'm gonna be trying this one by CoverGirl, and this is their Full Spectrum in the color Maroon. And I just wanted a bold lip. I don't know if this is gonna go with the eyeshadow I got on, but yeah, let's go ahead and try it out. Hair. I'm really gonna do too much to my hair, like, you know. I think I'm just gonna wear it big today. So yeah, that is it. This is the makeup look I came up with. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Mary J. Hampton.